Yeah, Mandy. Show them how it's done. Beautiful. Okay? And then simply, just kick the leg up. And then I bring my hands up. It's a ninja. Okay? Beautiful. Hands. And then. Beautiful. Make it look easy. Okay? Mounting. 2, 1. Okay? Let's come out. That's fine. Right, left leg feels alright?
Yeah.
The base can also pose. It helps with the pose. Oh yeah? Sound effects are appreciated.
Like that.
I just channeled the inner Bruce Lee there. If you find this like too easy, I don't know, I'm gauging your strength. If you find it like you want to go further, take this foot, bring it out. Those are ankles. Yeah? The deeper stretch for you. Draws nice line. Same thing.
Yeah, that. I don't think I would make it.
Okay? Breaking it down. Okay, let's dismount. Dismount behind just for fun. Okay, facing this. Feet placement. Placement is so important. If you want to Alaska trying to sell ice cream, it's going to be hard. So placement, location. I'm not bringing my feet in front of it. I'm bringing them underneath it because once she jumps on, we're in front. I'm underneath. Not in front of her. So she walks up. This one you really want to mount closely. So be able to at least touch your feet. I find it even closer with this particular mount. If you have open hips, come closer. Get under. We count together. We go 2, 1, up. And we push up. She lifts a little. It's less of a jump for the flyer. It's more of a like a getting on your toes a little so that the base can push you up. Watch your feet. They're wrapped. My legs are straight. Okay. She has this wrapped. And then when she's ready, she just points the foot down. Okay? I'll bring my hand. Point. The one straight out, one overhead. Add your favorite sound effect. If you're feeling like a challenge, bring it out. Put a hand there for support. Bring your foot out. Where the foot meets the ankle. And the whole time, again, the base is being pulled right, being pulled left. Your center. Find that space where you feel grounded. Okay. Worst fall. C. Crash. Bam. Laying backwards. Falling straight forward. Fall straight forward, man. My hands are here, okay? Always hands up all the time. Correct? And my second lesson for today, very, very, very important, so I'd like to emphasize it, is these wraps keep you safe. But the very things that keep you safe and comfortable in life can also hurt you. Okay? Know when to let go of those things. You're feeling safe, you're about to fall, these hooks are no longer safe. You've got to unhook them so that you can land with your feet. Very important. So the very things that keep you safe can hurt you. So learn to let go. And one more time. Crash, 2, 1. Okay. Another crash. Straight forward. Just like a slip and coming forward. My hands are right here. Not in her eye. Don't too close. So the flyer can grab hands too. If she misses, we can grab the shoulder. But normally you'll grab hands. Okay? And again, unwrap. You're falling forward. You're like you're falling. Unwrap. So you can fall out. Three again, 2, 1, leaning up. Beautiful. This time doing a pop throw. You understand throw, right?
Yes.
So that means You bend with the waist, you bring your legs up into a sitting position. My feet land underneath your thighs, and you wrap your legs like throne. Okay, so you visualize point B. What is point B? It's throne. Okay. With this first. We're gonna wrap around. Yes. This is point B. This is where we're aiming. Okay, go back to point A. Is there a good way to base or spot this? Popping? This one, not so much. It's just a dynamic. Good. Right. So this underneath the shoulders. Beautiful. So you run, and then we go, okay? Got you. I always practice it. Enjoy your life.
I am like
2, 1. Go. Okay? So another way, go. When you're ready.
All right, you're about halfway.
oh, that was fast.
Now, hold. Let's go.
Hey, babe.
Balance.
You doing it?
Same thing like
Here you go, stay on the red, miss.
Learn to let go when you need
I'm
to.
gonna fly.
All right, go ahead.
Very cool.
Start right here. You can take from the top.
Let's do one more variation of this. On your balance. You're gonna go on my hands. Same thing. I'm gonna wrap my legs here. Wrap your foot around my This is thrown on hands. Okay, now leg out.
Now just go all the way around and back. You're almost there.
Very cool. I'm gonna do my foot. It's a different way to do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
And then lean back. Lean back. I got you. Lean back. Unhook this way. There you go. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. All right, Brent. Let's have you up.
Okay. They made it.
So, do we want to? Let's do this one. Okay. Okay, but we're gonna do it without hands.
Oh,
2. Yes. Okay. Lift. Worst fall is. That's why my hands are.
So should I try and keep my back very straight?
Yes. Just jump straight as if you're in throne, and then wrap your feet.
Okay.
Okay. So the only thing you need to worry about, Alex, is stay behind. And put your hands on his shoulders in case he falls back. You'll have your base. Me. And then, actually, base Mandy, I'm supposed to help show you how to spot this. So, let's do the one down first. Yes. There's more like a motion, like up. It's just simply more of a weight on your feet. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Tuck your wrists, elbows in towards your sides. Tuck them in. Yes. Because your torso gives you that extra support. Now stack your wrists over your elbows. Yes. Go ahead and grab the balls over here. That's it. No, let's come down. So instead of you were right here, tip. Right there. Grab it down. Okay. That's stop it.
Yeah,
Try that again. When you feel weight on your arms, naturally you're gonna go tuck them in.
Tuck them in.
Okay. Feel this pressure now. It's not here. It's right there. Go straight down to the elbow. Good to go. Pretty safe move because flyer has the base's feet. I imagine works well if the flyer, the base's feet go all the way down here. So I'm going to spot from this side. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And tuck them in. Bring them back this way, Brett. Go. Yes. Find that box. Tuck them in more. Yes. Tuck them in. Right now, they're low end. Bring it up. There. I mean, your elbows in, but your wrists need to come out. Yes. Find that stack. Find that spot where everything is centered. Not only north and south, but east and west. Find it. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And slowly. I'm gonna have you blind. So this one is a different mount. Instead of going and pressing up, you're already here. So I think this mount may be better for you because when you're first facing this, it's hard to figure out where that is. So you'll get used to it as you fly, as you base more. So not only is it this stack that you need to worry about, you tend to go too in.
Okay.
So bring out this out of the find that stack. Okay. So let's stop here first. Find that rabbit. Good grip, like rabbit. Good. And 2, 1, lift.
Go.
Tuck them in. Tuck them in. Yeah. Good.
Are you able to put your legs a little bit more? Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, like right there.
Okay, tuck them in. Tuck them in. There you go. And the flyer, you have to squeeze your thighs together. Keep it from splaying out. Beautiful. Find it. More gas on the fingers. You gotta press up. Yes. Exactly. So yeah, bring my toes up, just like when you're on the ground. You gotta sink in the hands. So that's why box is so important. You have a lot of weight here on the feet for support. So bring all your weight onto his feet. And slowly shift them onto your feet. When you go back to it.
Not as easy as it looks.
Yes, it's totally different from all the other bases we've done so far.
Right.
It's not feet centric, it's hand centric. So I think for this one, let's just work together as a group.